Part two of day one. So I held my trade. It's around 10:30 p.m. already. I finally got done trading. I wasn't on the keyboard and on my phone all day. I was just letting it play out. And so basically, I'm in profit right now. I'm $177 in profit right now. My goal is to get 700. So my plan for tomorrow is to bring the 177 and try to be at least close to 300. I'm gonna see if I could pass that test this week, but I'm not trying to be forcing it as well. I'm gonna be patient with my entries. Like I said, it's better to do one or two good entries than 20 different small entries throughout the day that you're not really sure about. You have to be really sure about that entry in case basically like it breaks the trend. That's when I like to get in, when there's like little breakouts like that, and when it's like breaking the trends and shit like that. So just like in Bitcoin, I got in at Bitcoin because I seen a triple bottom. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get in real fast and get out. But the trade actually took a couple hours because it's really slow right now with Bitcoin. I went for a call because Bitcoin is really bullish right now. Bitcoin really wants to break the $40,000. So it touched around 38,500 yesterday, I believe. And it went back down to 37,500, I believe. So I was like, you know what? It's kind of fell on a little support. So I'm just going to get in for a little buy since I seen the triple bottom. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go for a buy right here and just ride it out. And I cashed out. I'm not sure how much I made. I'll just leave it right here. And for gold, I was literally watching gold reach 2050. I think it hit around 3 days ago, 2050, and it went back down to 2040 area. So I was like, you know what? Gold has really been trying to break that 2050 level, and it tried to retest that 2050 level, and it kept on rejecting. So I was like, okay, for sure, it's rejecting. It's not breaking just yet. There's not that much buyers for gold to break that point. So you know what? I'm going to go for a little trend breakage. You know what I'm saying? So I seen that it was going up a little bit, but it couldn't make a higher high. It kind of... the next little spike was a little bit lower than the other one. So I was like, you know what? It couldn't make a higher high. So I put my little trend line and I waited if it was going to break that little trend line. And it basically did finally break after a couple hours, and I was still riding that trade. And I basically ended up catching a trade for around $70, $80, something like that. So I'm happy with that trade. Back in the day, what I would do is I would get in a trade like that, and then next I just want to get into another one because I just wanted to just pass the test right away, you know. And obviously with this challenge, I'm taking it more serious, but as well, I want to trade a little bit more bigger lots so that I could just get it over with, so that I could just get my funds and then just trade at a normal pace. But you know what? I'm just gonna take it serious, take it slow. And that's it for day one. I'm positive 177 for this challenge that I got for $10,000. I got to reach 10,700. Right now I'm at 10,177. I'm pretty close. Tomorrow for day two, my goal is to reach 10,300. So hopefully I reach that, or maybe I reach a little bit more than that. But that's my goal for tomorrow, 10,300. Hopefully we do that and we don't mess up and get some L's. But hey, if we're gonna get some L's, let's do little L's and big dubs. You know what I mean? And also with me, with stop losses, I know a lot of people are like, you need a freaking tight stop loss, but sometimes the market likes to play with you, and they kind of know where half the people's stop losses are. So what I've learned from the past is that I like to set my stop losses a little bit longer than usual. instead of having a little stop loss here, because usually the market likes to just hit that stop loss and then just fake you out and then go back down to where you wanted, and vice versa. You know what I mean? So half of the time I'm literally just watching my trade, and if it goes to a point where I don't want it, like past the point of this, so I basically just watch my stop loss. I usually just watch the chart, and if it goes too far up than where I think it's like about to break the freaking resistance zone, then I'm gonna get the fuck out. You know, but I like to just wait and see if it retests that level and it rejects. You know what I mean? And that's why I don't really use a stop loss that tight. I like to have my stop loss kind of far apart so it could give some wiggle room to play with, you know, because sometimes the market will go up, hit your stop loss, then go back down. In case of having your stop loss back up here, the market will almost reach the stop loss, won't hit, and then it'll go back down. You know, it's basically gonna fake out a lot of people, and that's how they make a lot of money. So that's what I've learned. Don't be scared. I mean, you just got to get used to it and be just confident with your trade. At the end of the day, I'm still learning every single day, and this is it for day one. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to start making more videos as of me analyzing the charts so that you guys could see what I'm looking at. Blessings, everybody. Take it easy. See you guys tomorrow for day two. Let's reach 10,300. We're so close. Come on.